This is Michael from yeprogrammer.com. Today I'm going to talk about what is research. When you watch this video, I believe you want to do some research. For this presentation, I'm going to focus on college level, graduate level, postdoc and scientist level. I'm not going to talk about if you are a kid doing a summer research, okay? Now, and also I'm focused on mainly on engineering, mathematics, physics, those science topic, instead of research of history or research of music. Some people told me about words. Some words is combined of meaning. When I was in high school, the teacher teach me what is chemistry. If you use Google Translate, you will be able to find what is the meaning of chemistry. Now, but these two results is not what I want to tell. Chemistry is separated into three words. Chem is try. I have been told by my teacher, chemistry is just a combine of three words. That means you need to try and try and try to find the result is chemistry. Research. If you do a Google Translate, you also find some results. My understanding for the research is you are searching for answer. When you search for answer, it's not easy. You need to repeat and repeat using different method. So it's called research. But the key is how to choose a research topic. There are a few methods to choose the research topic. It would be nice if you find a research topic that fulfill all of them. Those 5 key elements are interest, good to know, need to know, easy to be funded, the trend, and new ideas. Now, interest. Well, if you are interested in doing some robotic stuff, you would like to build robot. If you research in robotic mechanism, you will willing to put more energy in that area. So if you find a research topic that is your interest, that is very important. What is good to know and need to know? Some people doesn't understand this. The key reason is they don't know what is important. Now, the first one in here is 2003. The Nobel Prize has been awarded to Paul and Peter because they discovering the MRI. This is something it changed the world. It changed the world. It helped so many people to. It helped the science. It helped the industry. It helped the world. That is something. It's good to know or need to know. It's something I believe is need to know. That's why they received the Nobel Prize. And the second paragraph in here is biology prize. It's a person doing a research on how I took a holiday from being human. Well, definitely that is something I want to know, but do I have to know? If I don't know about that, would I have a lot of disadvantage? Is it everyone in the earth want to take the holiday? Everyone in the earth lead a holiday. Everyone in the earth without a holiday could be a big problem. No. So that is the difference between good to know and need to know. When you choose a research topic, you want to be the topic to be a need to know topic. Okay. Now, if you're a scientist, you want to write a paper, you want to write a proposal to get fund, you will want to have a topic that is easy to be funded. If you write a research paper or write a proposal, you say, I want to build a device to communicate with UFO. Okay. Do you think you will get funding on that? Maybe. Will it be easy? May not be. But you know how many physical disabled people in US nowadays, and how many physical disabled people in Greece every year? So if you write a proposal and say build a robotic leg to help physical disabled people, would it be easier funded than communicate with UFO? I believe so. And there are more groups of funding you can apply. So that is also important, because when you choose a research topic, you need money to support your research. Trend. Trend is also important. Why is it important? 1997, Yahoo was the largest search engine. Everyone in the earth know about Yahoo. After 20 years, this year is 2018. Do you like Yahoo or Google? I personally have not used Yahoo for at least 10 years. So I think nowadays everyone prefer Google. Maybe when you watch this video, that will be a few years from now, then there is another website, another search engine. So the trend is important. Now the second one is EEG control versus AI control. What is EEG? EEG is putting electrode on top of human's head and to receive some noisy brainwave signal, and by using some algorithm to extract the data from the brainwave signal to control something. Many years ago, US Army tried to use the EEG signal to control weapons. Okay? I watched a video a couple years ago. They say EEG signal is so noisy, it's not too good. This year, there are many AIs control in the market, and then people like AI because it seems like the AI would be much more smarter than human. And if you want to choose a research topic, do you want to go to AI control or EEG control? Do you think 2 years from now, you finish your research, publish a paper, do you think the AI control will be getting more feedback, or the EEG control paper will get more feedback? So trend is also an important factor. New ideas. That is, I think, is the most important thing. Now, when you have some ideas, want to do some research, you fulfill all the interests, good to know, need to know, easy to be funded. You also fulfill the trend. If you do not have any new ideas on those topics, basically you just copy other people's ideas, and that is not research, because research is trying to achieve some new stuff, some better stuff. So I put it in the last because that is the most important. But if you only have new ideas without the previous 4 factors, that could also be a problem.